Does the CREC clutch delete improve throttle response? Yes, absolutely.
Yep.
And it's not necessarily throttle response that improves. It improves the throttle response function by connecting the supercharger to the engine more quickly. But I noticed a huge improvement in the responsiveness of the engine once I did the clutch delete on my daily driver Q7.
Yeah, and
It was shocking.
It'll depend too on what you're looking for. It'll dramatically change the like light load cruise, and then you go to like stab in it, or like a real a pretty sharp transition from a light load state to a moderate to heavy load acceleration. If you're like climbing a hill and you're part throttle and already in boost, essentially it's not going to change really anything.
Yeah.
If you're transitioning throttle there, but it's the transition from light load to a acceleration state.
Mm-hmm.
You'll definitely notice it. You don't have that supercharger mass trying to spin up all of a sudden.
Yeah, it's a really nice mod. Of course, it addresses the potential for the clutch slipping as well. But yeah, no, it just greatly improves driving throttle responsiveness. The ECU is still controlling the throttle the same way, but connecting the supercharger more directly, having it run all the time is really nice.